Hello Slaymates, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a very quick video. I have been asked, I don't know how many times on different people's pages, Facebook groups, on my personal Instagram, on the business Instagram, how I get the line breaks in my Instagram captions. And I have seen so many people give an explanation, whether it's on YouTube or on their Instagram, saying that they use certain Instagram websites and they put their caption in there and then the website will spit out a new caption with the line breaks and then they copy and paste. I mean, it's a whole long drawn out situation that you don't need to do. So I've explained to people how to do it in Instagram. Some people don't really understand what I mean, and it's kind of hard to type out, so I'm actually going to show you guys how to get the line breaks in your Instagram captions just by using Instagram and your phone, okay? So this is best viewed on your phone because now you're only going to see my phone and you're not going to see me anymore. So if you're interested, keep watching, and if you are loving the way that I teach and loving the information that I give to you, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so as you all know, I am filming in my truck, so if you hear any noises like cars passing by, I do apologize. But like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you how I get those line breaks in my Instagram caption. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a post real quick. Of course, I'm going to delete it afterwards. Let's just pick this one. So what you're going to want to do when it comes time for you to key in your caption, type in whatever you want to type in. Let's just put testing out my Instagram captions. So you have your first sentence. When you're done with your first sentence and you put your period or your whatever your punctuation mark is, make sure that you only put one and don't end it with an emoji. Afterwards, you're going to leave it right. You see where the cursor is? The cursor is right beside the exclamation mark. After that, you're going to want to press the enter button, the return button, whatever the button is called on your phone. I am on an Android. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy S9. So I'm going to press the button underneath my backspace button, which is enter or return. Press that, press it again, then type out your next part. I'm going to press it one more time. Make sure you don't have any irregular spaces. Now, we've done that. Watch what happens to my caption once I post it. And there you go. Simple, right? That is all you all have to do. People are making this so complicated. You don't need an extra website. You don't need an extra app on your phone. You don't need to copy and paste from your notepad. Just make sure there are no spaces after your after your punctuation mark. Then press enter or return on your phone. That is all you need to do. Now I have noticed that if you, let's see what happens. I'm going to delete this. Well, no, I don't have to delete it. We can just edit the caption here. I'm going to show you all what happens if you do a space. So let's say I want to type something else, and then I put another exclamation mark and I'm going to leave a space, and then I press enter. Let's see what happens to the caption. See, the space is gone. So you have to make sure that there is no space. See how there's a space there? You need to backspace it. And it's back again. So that is what you all have to do. Just make sure there are no spaces after your punctuation mark. I want to see what happens now with the emoji. So let's take that out and let's just put an emoji. Oh gosh, why is it going so slow? I was like, okay, so it's still fine. Okay, see, now it used to be I couldn't do it with an emoji, but now I guess you can. Let's see what happens if I do both. You can still do both. Okay, so I stand corrected. You can now do a punctuation mark and an emoji, but you still have to make sure there is no space after that emoji and you just press enter or send or whatever it's called on your phone. So that is all I have for you all today. If you liked this video and you want way more information about Instagram or growing your boutique, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.